Hey guys, it's Mandy here, and I'm super excited because this I just got today and I haven't used it yet, and I got so excited that I thought I'd do a quick test of the product. This is the Pampered Chef Rockcrok, and this is the Dutch oven size, so it's the 9 quart, and it is our ceramic stoneware. It is non-stick on the inside. It claims to be a magic pot, or better than our magic pot. It can go from any heat surface, so it can go from the stove to the oven to the broiler to the microwave to the grill, and then of course after all of that to the dishwasher. Everyone's saying that it makes the most amazing roasted chicken in the microwave by creating a stone oven in your microwave. So I thought I would put it to the test. I haven't used any of these products yet. This came new today. So this is our kitchen spritzer. It's wonderful. It's a glass bottle. You can put your oils in here. You can infuse them. Throw in, you're not supposed to use fresh herbs, but you can throw in dried herbs, basil perhaps, or some garlic. There's a filter here, so you're not going to clog it. You just pump it until there's a little bit of resistance in it. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to spray. And this way, you know exactly what is going in your dishes. You're not using bad fats. You can select your oils, and then you know exactly what's going in them. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray the bottom a little bit. I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. And this is my patience kicking in. I have a chicken from the farmer's market, and yep, I'm not waiting for it to thaw because I'm impatient. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in the rock and give my hands a quick wash and adjust the camera. As you can see, I've done this before. Have not done this before. Okay, so I'm going to then take our Chipotle Rub. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that all over it. Get it all around on all the different sides. And I'm going to add a little sprinkle of salt and pepper as well. I used fresh ground sea salt as well as fresh cracked pepper. I also love garlic. So I am going to go ahead and use, if I can open it, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and use minced garlic. So I'm just going to kind of splash a little bit on the chicken. Good stuff. Now I'm also going to throw in some baby carrots. All around for some vegetables. Cut some more. All right. Now, if you want, you can throw in some peppers, onions, any sort of vegetables that you want. You can even throw in some cute potatoes or some sweet potatoes. I'm just seeing how this works on its own like this. And if you look, there's absolutely no liquid in that bad boy. Nothing. So I'm going to throw it in the microwave covered for 35 to 40 minutes, and I'll do the review when we come back. All right, so I'm going to do the little reveal now. I did pull it out of the microwave and check it at 40 minutes, and it definitely wasn't done yet, obviously, because it was frozen. So I put it back in for another 10. And I probably should let it sit for a little while, but there's that, oops, there's that patience again. So when you're taking it out of the microwave, it is hot. You're going to want to make sure that you do use some oven mitts. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so that is what it looks like. That's where I cut it before. So I'm going to poke it again. There's actually no liquids now, so I wonder if I've overcooked it. And you can see, let me just put my oven mitt back on. You can see that it has made its own juices and drippings, which is nice. A good test is to see. Oh wow. I'd say that's done. Internal temperature. Oh yeah. I think I actually overdid it, if you can overdo it in the microwave. So it is fall off the bone tender. Like, it is literally falling apart. I dropped a piece on the floor. Boomer seems like, hey! And I'm just gonna cut a piece off. Wow. Yeah, it's completely done. So there you have it. A chicken roasted in the oven. A nice crusty skin. I'm going to taste a little piece of it. But you can see when you squeeze it that there actually is still some liquid in it. Mmm. Wow. Okay, so it's made a believer out of me. Stay tuned for some more Rockcrok recipes. And so for now, that's Mandy signing off. Bye.